welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope you guys had a great trading day today. Welcome. Hey, Taj. Welcome, Taj. Welcome. Hey, Simon. Welcome, Simon. Hey, Solomon. Welcome, Solomon. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, guys. This evening, we're going to go over the equity markets. All right. Equity markets were up again today. All right. So we'll focus on equities this evening. And we'll start with big picture. All right. So let me share my screen here. Hold on. All right. Here we are. All right. All right. So we'll start with, guys, big picture. All right. So let's take a look at the Dow big picture on the weekly time frame holding. All right. Dow is holding on the weekly. S&P is holding, broke all-time highs today on the S&P. Great news there. NASDAQ also, all right, all-time highs, record highs today also on the NASDAQ. Russell, guys, still holding at resistance. Not much there. All right. And VIX is down. Look at the VIX, guys. All right. VIX is looking to break support here, trading at 1222. All right. We could see the VIX move lower, break below that and get into the 11. That's low for the VIX. All right. Low volatility. Okay. Let's go here. So very good news for equities. Sectors, I want to spend some time here on the sectors. All right, the top sector, all right, what's they say? Consumer staples. All right, top sector, guys, is technology. So let's do this. So it's still technology. All right, right here, right, technology right here. Holding firm. So we'll take a look at technology stocks this evening. And also communications services. All right. A buy signal here, a bit of a pullback, but guys, look at tech. All right. Tech is holding strong. Buy signal here. All right. At some point, all right, hopefully healthcare will come around. If it breaks through that resistance here, we'll take a look at healthcare. But for right now, we want to stick with tech. The dollar index, we talked about this last night, guys. Keep an eye on the dollar index, okay, for Forex. All right, so right at resistance, we do have a buy signal. All right, that's the only concern, though. If this dollar index moves higher, that will put some pressure on the equity market. So just keep that in mind. All right, keep that in mind. Current positions. So let's go through current positions. Well, hold on. Right here, current positions in Monster Scalper and equities. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper, and then we'll look at equities. Okay, current positions. All right, on the 60-minute time frame. All right, we have Aussie, Swiss on the 60-minute time frame. Let's take a look here. All right, so Aussie, Swiss, guys, buy signal here. Let's move this. All right, buy signal here on a break of resistance, holding firm right now. Right, green candle, keep an eye on it, though we do have a lot of purple support and resistance here. Okay, the goal is for Aussie Swiss to break through resistance right here or the high and move higher. All right, so Aussie Swiss, New Zealand Swiss give a sell signal. So buy signal was here, red candle came in today, broke support, sell signal, white arrow here, close the trade, please. All right, close the trade. And look here, we have support here coming, it's coming down. All right, so when it comes back down, that's support. Previous resistance becomes support. This is a concern. All right, if it breaks through that support here, right here, that could go much lower. Next support is all the way down here. So just be aware of that. Okay. All right. So New Zealand Swiss closed the trade. All right, keep an eye on Aussie Swiss. Since New Zealand Swiss is coming down, sellers are coming in. Really keep an eye on Aussie Swiss. Okay. All right, ZAR Yen closed today. Buy signal was here. Big red candle came in. White arrow closed the trade. Please, ZAR Yen. All right, CAD Yen, guys, closed today. All right, buy signal was here. All right. Red candle came in here, sell signal came in here, closed the trade. If this trade breaks that trend line here, that could move much lower. All right, so keep an eye on that. All right, that's too bad though. We were hoping that this yen pairs would make another move up. If it does, at some point in the future, if it breaks to that resistance, we'll get another buy signal. And you guys know the yen pairs have been trading really well. Okay. All right, so CAD Yen, close the trade, please. All right, Euro Yen, that's still holding. All right, and trading well also. Buy signal here, holding firm. Keep an eye on it, okay? Keep an eye on it. Purpose support and resistance here, okay? Euro Yen, SGD JPY, that's your Singapore dollar. Yen, buy signal here, that's holding. All right. Something might be going on with these yen pairs. Okay. All right. Pound yen, buy signal here. You guys know these yen pairs have been moving for a little over a month now. All right. So they're due. I mean, look at here, even on the 60-minute, guys, 60-minute time frame. Look at the trades here. They're due for, all right, not even a pullback, a bit of a correction. Okay. On the yen pair. So pound yen, but they're holding firm right now. Pound yen, buy signal here, holding. All right, we need that pound yen to continue to move higher, test the highs up here. Okay. All right, pound yen, Aussie yen, buy signal here. Keep an eye on it. White candle coming in, and you know it's been trading fine. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, white candle coming in. Keep an eye on it, okay? Aussie yen, and we currently have down, so really keep an eye on it. New Zealand yen, that closed. So buy signal was here on the break of this resistance. All right, resistance becomes support. All right, didn't last long. Broke support right here. Sell signal out. We've got sellers coming in, red candles, so we should be out. Okay, guys. New Zealand yen closed the trade. Always be aware when this, you know, even if you're in a position like this, and the other pairs are closing, the other trades are closing in that group. Be aware that could be, all right, that could be your trade next. So always better to take profits. All right, when you see that happening, especially when we've got white candles coming in. When we've got white candles coming in, guys, high in the markup phase, that's a concern. If it's early in the markup phase, not too much of a concern because it might be a bounce. But when they come in high like this, be careful. Look for the next candle though, especially on the 60-minute time frame. All right, wait. Right, wait for that follow-up candle. Yen pairs, monster scalper 240. Let's take a look. All right, so 240-minute time frame in monster scalper. Long positions, still no shorts. All right, so ZAR yen, guys, ZAR yen, buy signal was here. Buy signal is right here. Right, we got white candles here. This current time frame, the 240, right, has a red candle. This is tricky here. All right, I wouldn't blame you guys if you just get out here. All right, you don't have to wait. Ideally, you want to wait for a close of this candle. All right, ideally, we'll hold it for now. This candle right here, it hasn't closed red. It's currently red, but we could see buyers come in on this current candle. All right, we see it all the time where things turn around. All of a sudden, buyers are coming back in. We'll leave it for now, but keep an eye on it. All right. It is a concern that these yen pairs are getting some pressure. All right. So ZAR yen, we'll leave it for now. All right. Dollar yen, that's holding firm. Good trade going here. Buy signal here. All right. Really good price action. Nothing to do here. Okay. Nothing to do here. All green candles, yellow support and resistance. I wouldn't add though. I wouldn't scale up. Okay, right. Not with these some of these yen pairs closing. All right. So if you're in it, just hold firm. HKD JPY holding well. Buy signal was here. Got out on this red candle. Got back in here. And really good trade going here for a lot of pips, guys. This is for about 600 pips or so, 600 pips, holding firm right here. HKD JPY, Euro yen holding strong. Buy signal here. All green candles, nothing to do. No support and resistance lines yet. So that's good, guys. All right. All right, so good price action, good trade going here, good pips there. All right, Euro yen, SGD JPY, buy signal here, right? Really good trade here. Now these are not slowing down. Okay, so SGD JPY, Euro JPY, really good trade. Buy signal here. All right, good trade here. Now, this trade started on 6/12, so June the 12th, and when what? July the 1st. So that's been going on. What's that? About 3 weeks, right? Almost 3 weeks. Be aware of that. These trades on the 240 will give us, if we catch a run, maximum about 4 weeks. All right, 4 weeks. If we're lucky, 5 weeks. If we're really lucky, 6 weeks. Okay. So anytime they get above 2 weeks, 3 weeks, just be aware that, look at this buy signal here, guys. That's due anytime for a sell signal. Okay, anytime for a sell signal. I'm trying to find a previous trade, but just know 240. Guess what? We've got about a month if we catch a good run, and they're getting extended. Okay, so they're due. If they give sell signals, don't be surprised. Okay, SGD JPY, Swiss yen. All right, look at Swiss yen. All right, give a sell signal today, guys. Beautiful trade here, right? We've been talking about Swiss yen. That buy signal came in on 5/28. Okay, so was that May 28? And guess what? Closed today. All right, so there you go. That's a month. All right, so don't expect more than that. If you get more than that, you did good. All right. So those of you trading the yen pairs on the 240, be on alert. Be on high alert. All right. They should close shortly. So buy signal here, sell signal. What a great trade, right? Stayed in that trade. No red candles, right? A few white candles here. So if you waited, held on, right? Nice bounce. Right after these white candles here, perfect markup phase, great trade here, and really struggled to break new highs, break resistance here. So guess what? Broke support, sell signal, white arrow, perfect trade, guys. This is an absolute perfect trade for how many pips? I think we said this was about little over 600 pips here. So great trade, Swiss yen. You guys if you want, take a picture of this. Really, this is the type of trade. You're not gonna get this every time, but boy, it helps to be aware that on the 240, when we catch a trend, they will run and they will stay in the trade. Okay, all right. So Swiss yen, close the trade, please, and that's done for now. Pound yen still holding. Buy signal here. All right, all green candles doing well. Yellow support and resistance, very bullish, right? In the markup phase. All right, nothing to do. Just hold on if you're in it. Aussie yen, another great trade. Buy signal here, really good trade. All green candles. If you guys are in it, just hold on. Purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that. All right, we need to, in order to see this price action move higher, we've got to get past the highs right here. It is hugging that resistance right here. So just hold on. All right. New Zealand yen, buy signal here. in monster scalper. Buy signal here, getting past purple resistance here, which is lower highs, lower lows within the markup phase. Not a major concern, but just pay attention, right? Sellers are not coming in, but just know that a bit of a pullback within the markup phase, within the trend, but holding firm. New Zealand yen. Aussie New Zealand. Look at Aussie New Zealand. All right, great trade going here. All right, buy signal, really good markdown phase, guys. Look here, buy signal here, accumulation, markdown, accumulation, broke resistance, markup, nice big candles. Look at this, big candles here. Buyers are coming in, big candles here. These are areas where you could add. And I know Forex have been choppy, so be careful add scaling up, but you can do it smartly, in a smart way. All right, resistance is right here. Okay, just know sellers are here. No indication yet, though, guys, that sellers are coming in. All right, these are healthy candles, good buyers. All right, so there's a good chance, no guarantee. All right, but there's a good chance this trade, Aussie New Zealand, could break through that resistance here. So buy signal here, all the way up here. Beautiful trade going here. All right, so Aussie, New Zealand, good trade. The dollar pairs, we're in some dollar pairs. Let's see how they're performing. Okay, so dollar Swiss, good trade. All right, so hey, guess what? 240 is starting to perform. It's amazing how this works, right? All right, we were forced to go to the 60-minute. All right, and now guess what? 240 is working out. All right, markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal right here. Good price action, target is here. Okay, if it gets to that area, keep an eye on it, and we'll keep an eye on that dollar index. Okay, this is the dollar pair, so we need the dollar index. We need the help of the dollar index, which is right here. We need that dollar index to break through that resistance to really get these dollar pairs going. Okay, so USD CHF, good buy signal here, moving up nicely. USD NOK, that one closed. Okay, so close the trade. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. If it gets back above that resistance, give a buy signal. Guess what? All right, we might call it again. All right, so for right now, it's done. Okay, good markdown phase. A lot of consolidation in here, though. All right, so we'll see what it does. All right, so USD NOK for now, close the trade. Okay, USD SGD, very choppy. This was a tricky trade. We talked about this one before. All right, difficult trading. All right, so buy signal here. All right, look at this horrible trade here, but let's hope it can get through that resistance. Now, if it can get past resistance here, past all of this consolidation, all of this mess, we could see it finally break out. Okay, but even with USD SGD, we need the dollar index. Okay, USD SEK. All right, buy signal here, bit of a pullback, still holding a decent markdown phase. All right, so let's take a look at that. Markdown phase here, and we are getting past this consolidation. All right, here is your V. We need to break through resistance right here to see USD SEK move higher also. Okay, so buy signal here, holding. We need to get past, right, these sellers right here. Okay, target after that could be all the way up here. All right, but again, we need the help of the dollar index. Okay, USD CNH. All right, a decent trade going here. So yen pairs, guys, yen pairs, that's been the best trade. All right, that's been the #1 trade. And now what's setting up are the dollar pairs. Okay, and if we have to just trade those two groups, all right, and add in the Aussie Kiwi pairs here and there, that's fine for now. All right, hey, the Euro pairs wants to join the party, pound pairs will know. We'll see that price action. Okay, USD CNH buy signal here, holding right here. We need price to break through the highs right here. I wouldn't call this resistance. That's just the highs need to break through here. Okay, USD CNH, and then the last one, dollars are close that trade. Nothing. I thought we removed this. Nothing we can do about this here. Okay, gap down. Right, gap down. I think this gap down on what was it? Sunday, I believe. Right, Sunday. What's the day? Monday, right? So Sunday, yes, gap down should be out of this. So let me make sure I remove it. All right, gap down, red candle. Nothing we can do here, guys, when they gap down like this. So close the trade, be out of the trade. All right, Forex dominator. So we've got some trades in Forex dominator, yen and dollar pairs. Okay, let's go through those. And these are on the daily time frame. All right, not bad trading, guys. Not bad trading. Okay, not bad. Great run in these yen pairs. Now, on the daily time frame, Forex dominator will tend to hold these trades longer. All right, longer, several weeks, several months. All right. So USD JPY buy signal here. That buy signal came in on what, March the 19th, still holding. All right. Good price action, continuing to move higher. All right. So dollar, yen, great job there. HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen. All right, buy signal came in on 318 right here, continuing to hold, moving higher, higher highs, higher lows, great price action there. SGD JPY, same thing, buy signal came in right on 318 also, guys. Buy signal here, all right, holding firm, all green candles there. Pound yen, you guys know what pound yen's been doing. Buy signal came in on what's that, in January. All right, still continuing to move higher. You guys know pound yen, big picture, pound yen, look at that on the monthly. All right, on the monthly time frame. All right, getting past sellers here. The next target, guys, the real target on pound yen before we see any real selling could be all the way up here. No guarantees, okay? But boy, it looks like it wants to get all the way up back to the highs right here, okay? That would be a tremendous amount of pips, okay? But we could get some selling, all right, before that happens, okay? Don't hope for a clean move all the way up. We're extended. Okay, so on the daily buy signal, like I said, came in on January the 19th. Great move, just keeps moving higher. Okay, on in Forex dominator, Swiss yen buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right, Aussie yen. All right, Aussie yen. That buy signal came in, guys, in May. Right, May the what, the 24th, good price action, still holding. All right. Buy signal came in right here. New Zealand yen. All right. Another good trade. All right. Buy signal came in right here. And that was same thing. All right. 424. Good price action here. But guys, they are somewhat overbought. All right. But we'll let them run, all green candles. All right, so let them run. USD MXN, new trades, fairly new trades with the dollar pairs. All right, so USD MXN. Ideally, we would like these yen pairs to close and get a run, right? Get a nice run with these dollar pairs, right? Take profits with these yen pairs and get in these dollar pairs. That's the next rotation. All right. On USD MXN, we need to get past the highs right here. So buy signal here, I think we called it right about in here somewhere. We need to break through that resistance. USD HUF, buy signal here, trading below resistance. Really keep an eye on this one. Okay. So because we have sellers here in a big way. All right. So here, here, and here. All right, it's on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator. We need buyers to come on back in. Again, we need help from that dollar index. Okay. USD CNH buy signal here, moving up nicely there. All right, moving up higher highs, higher lows. All right, yellow support and resistance. That's good. We do have sellers sitting right here. Okay, so just be aware of that. All right, let's bring this down here and do this. All right, so we need to break through that resistance. Again, we need help from the dollar index. No shorts. We do not have any shorts, guys. So if you're shorting, be careful. All right, if you're going to short a pullback, all right, because that's all we've got. Pullbacks in Forex right now. All right, so no major downward moves in any of the pairs. So if you're going to short, trade lightly. Okay. All right. Stock boss. Let's go through stock boss. And we're right on time, right on track. Okay, AMC. Let's see what's going on with AMC. AMC looks like is getting a bounce. So held previous resistance becomes support. Held it over here. Buyers are coming in. So Friday buyers came in. Today buyers came in. So let's see if we can get past resistance here. All right, right here. Let's see here. Let's bring that down right about here. Okay, so here we are. All right, we could get a break through that resistance here. Okay, so AMC, all right, still holding. GameStop, boy, that's a concern here. So it's trading right at support. If you get a buy signal here, guys, very tricky trading. You guys know this is basically a pump and dump is what they're doing here. Okay, the institutions are not in this trade. Okay, no, we traded it before, and our traders did okay. All right, but it's not holding. All right, so they pumped it here, dumped it, pumped it here, dumped it, and let's see if it has one more pump. If this trade gives a red candle anywhere in here, guys, we'll be done. Okay, so we'll hold it for now. It's holding support. Let's see if we can get buyers to come in, and but not a lot going on. Okay, EBS, that's holding on target. We need to get to that resistance here. All right, so that's holding. All right, we added a few stocks in Stock Boss, so we finally starting to see some movement in small caps. Okay, BARK, MDIA. All right, BWH. I'm sorry, BW. All right, good markdown phase, guys, in BW. Look at this. And a decent risk reward. This stock fell from, what's that? About $9 and a really good markdown phase. All right, good markdown phase. That buy signal came in at $1.32, closed today at $1.55. All right, all green candles. So we'll hold it for now. But these small caps haven't been making a move, right? Mainly large caps, all right, been moving higher. So BW, EOS, that's a new one, a decent markdown phase. So a decent discount here, all right? This one fell from 563. Buy signal came in at 91 cents, trading here at $1.46. So not bad. Target is all the way up here. But guys, don't expect a lot from these small cap stocks, okay? These small cap stocks will be with the Russell, and you guys know the Russell, this is the Russell, all right? So not much, very different, right, than the S&P and the NASDAQ, your large caps, okay? So, right, Stock Boss, that's going to be the Russell there. So not a lot here. Okay, Bullmaster, large cap stocks. We'll go through this quickly. So Bullmaster, All right, AMKR, that's holding. ANF, that's a nice move higher. You're gonna find that in Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro large caps. You have a lot of reaccumulation. Okay. All right. So good trade there going A and F. Buy signal here, trading up nicely there. CLS, that's moving up nicely, holding firm. COHR, holding firm in Bullmaster. Great trade here. Look at that. CYBR, holding fine. Hood, Robin Hood. All right, looks good. All right, HKY, looks good, holding. All right, LRCX, holding. All right, as long as they're holding and moving up, that's what we want. MPWR holding firm, all green candles there. Netflix, good job holding firm. Look at the previous trade here on Netflix. Bought here, sold here. Right, good cup and handle here. Here's your cup. Here is your handle. Buy signal here. Right, moving up nicely there in Netflix. NRIX holding firm. NVO, look at that. Buy signal here, guys. Nice price action. All green candles. See how these large caps are holding, mega caps are holding firm. Okay. PD holding. PENN holding in the markup phase. Early in the markup phase. Now, this is coming out of the markdown phase. PLTR breaking out. All right. PLTR, guys. All right, good fundamentals. All right, I thought we moved it over here. PLTR. Let's move it over here. All right, good price action, breaking resistance here. All right, so they're saying that this might be the next NVIDIA. We'll see. All right, we'll see about that. Okay. All right, and a PSTG buy signal here, moving up nicely there. RCL, Royal Caribbean, buy signal here, holding all green candles. Okay, nothing to do there. WIX, keep an eye on WIX. Okay, guys. Now, the previous trade did well. All right, here it is right here. Bought here, sold here. Right, gapped up, broke resistance on this gap up, buy signals here. Now we're trading at right here. I wouldn't call this, well, it's building support right here. I would say support might be all the way down here. Buy signal here. Keep an eye on it. Purple support and resistance. We need a bounce. All right. So we need buyers to come on back in. And that's down. That's red currently. That's not good. So WIX, keep an eye on it. Okay. All right, now Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. All right, Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Right now, guess what? Large caps are doing well. We add fundamentals. Boy, we could see some magic happen. All right, so Apple. All right, buy signal was here. We called it right after this big break of resistance right here. Got past sellers. All green candles holding firm. All right, buys. Apple close today at 216 looks really good to break through the high. I wouldn't call this resistance, just the high right here. Looks good to break through that. Okay. All right, Amazon. Buy signal here. Look at how Amazon has been trading. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Got out here. Another buy signal came in right here. Holding firm at closed at 197. That buy signal came in at 191. So fairly close to that buy signal. Okay. So Amazon looks good. ANET. Look at this, guys. Buy signal here. Right. Retraced. Broke resistance. Look at this. Good price action. Moving higher right here. Good trade right here. ARM. Holding firm. All right. BROS finally breaking out. All right, so finally is getting past a big resistance here. A lot of consolidation. This is a new IPO, fairly new IPO. All right, breaking resistance here. Good job here. Carver. All right, Carver looks good. All right. Here in Orlando, we've got Carver restaurants. All right, and we love it. All right, so buy signal here And guess what? Good price action, all green candles. If it breaks through that resistance right here, we could see Kava make another move higher. That stock, guys, came from $36. All right. So this was back in December of last year. Okay. 12, 11, 23. Buy signal came in there at 30. What did I say? 36, 37. Sold. Give a sell signal. All right. Bullmaster or Bullmaster Pro. $60. Next buy signal came in at 72. That's where we called it, right about 72, guys. And it's trading at 95. Great trade going here. Okay. If it breaks through that resistance, we could see it move much higher. All right. Good trade going here and good fundamentals too. All right. The institutions are in this. All right. They're definitely in this one. All right. Coke. All right. Good call on Coke. Buy signals here. Look at Coke breaking through that resistance here, guys. Now, large cap, mega cap. All right. These stocks, they're continuing to move higher. All right. The sell in May and go away hasn't worked so far. So, right, if we stayed on that premise, guess what? All right, wouldn't take advantage of these moves here. Okay, so right, that's a good lesson. We can have all the historical data, all right, all our thoughts and our feelings about what these markets are going to do. Markets don't care. All right, they keep making new highs, keep moving higher. And guess what? If sellers come in, we'll know. We'll know by that price action. So Coke, good job there. COKE, breaking new resistance levels. Good job. CRDO, moving higher. All right. CRWD, good job. CLS, closed the trade. That came, a sell signal came in today. Now it's been trading well. All right. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here by our system. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. Previous resistance becomes support. That trade didn't last long. All right. Red candle broke support. Sell signal closed the trade. Get out quickly. Take that small loss. All right. We know sellers could come in, push that price all the way down. All right. So regardless of, it's got good fundamentals. All right. CLS, it's right here in bull master. Doesn't matter. All right. Sellers are coming in, close the trade, take that loss or that small profit, get out. All right. So CLS, close the trade, get out. Okay. FORM, holding at resistance. Here, good recovery today. Need to break through that resistance. Okay. FORM. All right. GVA, keep an eye on it, guys. Okay. It's trading well. Bought here, sold here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. All right. White candle came in today. That's a concern. We need buyers to come back in tomorrow. All right. Or through the week and break through that resistance here. All right. These buy signals are okay, but then they don't last long. So just be aware of it. It might be getting extended here. A lot of purple in this chart here. So be aware of that. Look at that. A lot of purple. So be aware of that. Okay. GVA. We leave it for now. WHWK, that's holding. Eli Lilly, LLY. Look at this, guys. Buy signal was here. All right. Good buy signal and moving up nicely. Buy signal came in at 8, right at 795, trading at 913. I know it's expensive, but we can do fractional shares or savvy traders that are trading options. You could trade calls on that. MEDP. All right. Buy signal here. Keep an eye on this one. It needs to hold above resistance. Okay. So we have a very defined resistance and support levels. Look at that. All right. So it's got to stay above resistance. I would say if you get a white candle on here, close the trade. Okay. Previous buy failed. So it bought here on a break of resistance, sold here on a break of support. Okay. So it's doing its job. Buy signal, buyers came back in, we got to buy. But if it comes back in here like it is now, you get a white candle, you might want to close it. And next time, I really want to wait for it to clear that area here. Okay, so just be aware of that. MEDP. All right, and guys, if you're not in these trades, that's fine, right? Right, we just follow the process because we can use this information, right, for our own trades or other trades. Okay, Microsoft buy signal here. All right, we got it right here. We called it right about in here on a break of this resistance here. We really needed to clear resistance and doing a really good job. Okay, moving higher here. Microsoft. And NVIDIA, all right, NVIDIA buy signal was right about here, all right. I think we called it before the split, all right, 10-to-1 split. It's holding, it held. This was a big deal today, okay. Came all the way down here to support buyers, brought that price, closed high, all right, closed high. I think it actually closed up. Yeah, I think it closed up, barely up, but that's good. We do need for NVIDIA to get back to the high here at $40. All right, so it needs to work its way back up here and break out. Okay, very powerful stock here. PI, PR, buy signal here. Look at this, good price action, got past these sellers, got past resistance, great price action here. PI, PR. And PLTR, we talked about that one. ROL, that's holding. All right. SMCI, super semiconductor. Okay. That's part of AI, I believe. Red candle here. All right. It's got good fundamentals, but close the trade. All right. Red candle, treat that as a sell signal. Close the trade, please. All right. Tesla, guys, Tesla finally gave a big buy signal. Okay, so let's draw it out. That signal came in, I believe, on Thursday or Friday of last week. We do have a decent markdown phase. Now, remember, Tesla is part of that Magnificent Seven. Okay, and this is large cap, driven by the S&P and NASDAQ, okay? And we know what these sectors are doing, these indexes are doing. So let's see Tesla here. And traders have been waiting for Tesla. All right, after that move down, Tesla moved down, guys, from, what's that? Let's bring in a monthly. Let's see how low it went. So fell from $413. And now it's trading at, all right, so traders are liking this discount. All right, so buy signal came in right at 197, trading at 209. All right, next target at 260. Okay, for Tesla here. So it's got to get past, all right, first of all, it's got to get past, got to get two resistance here and then break out. Okay, you might see it where it might get very choppy in here though. Okay, now Tesla lost its Caesar, right? Not a lot of good fundamentals. It's still good, still great fundamentals, but not compared to the other Magnificent Seven stocks. Okay, it is the lagging stock of the Magnificent Seven. Okay, so you guys can see here. Here's your buy signal. Okay, here is previous support, so it's gonna get in this box, back in the box. All right, it could struggle to get back up here because of all of this in here, all that indecision in here. So just be aware of that. Okay. All right. TT. All right. Give a sell signal, red candle. So close the trade. All right. Been trading well. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. We were hoping that it would break through that resistance and continue to move higher. But red candle, that's your sell signal. Red candle broke that trend line. We should be out of the trade. Okay. And it's high in that markup phase, guys. So it can, that can come down quite a bit. Okay. So your first loss will be your best, always your best loss. So TT, buy signal was here. on a break of resistance at 337, trading at 321. Close today. Close the trade, please. All right, close the trade. Get out. It's over. All right, WING, wing stop. All right, wing stop. Buy signal here. Looks really good. Look at the previous trades, guys. Bought here, amazing trading. All green candles all the way up that markup phase. Buy signal came in at 180, closed all the way up here at 344, guys. All right. Then buy signal came in at 379, closed at 373. Current buy signal here is at 402, and it's holding. Okay. Now, it's got to get past resistance here, and this is wing stop. Okay. And I think we have wing stop in the area here. So good. Look at this. Good price action. We got higher lows. So if we draw it in from here, all right, we see higher lows moving higher. Price is being squeezed here. We could see a nice break higher on wing stop. Okay. All right. Let's see here. All right. A few more minutes and we'll be done. Our stock boss traders, let's take a look at, let's see what we've got in hit seeker. Okay, so let's see hit seeker. Let's find it. Let's run it and see here. So hit seeker for stock boss. Let's run it. All right. I think we've been averaging about 20 or so. So 25, was it? 25 now? 23. So let's see if we've got, I doubt we've got. All right. So we got a few technology stocks. Let's see. What's that? Poet, P-O-E-T. All right, that's technology, semiconductor. So we're gonna add it. Okay. So our stock boss owners, look at the weekly, guys. Buyers are coming in here on the weekly. Nice big candle there on the weekly. So we'll call it good markdown phase. All right, look at that markdown phase. Look at that. Look at the day. All right, big candle came in today. All right, and it's inexpensive. So it's $2.77. What's the risk reward? Fell from $60 on the daily time frame. Not bad. All right, but buyers came in a big way. Okay, big volume there. So we'll call it. All right, and that is semiconductor. All right, so that's all part of AI. All right, so P-O-E-T in stock boss. All right. That's gone. We'll focus on just technology. You guys saw the sector. So tech sector, that's the best sector right now. Number one sector right now, technology. Okay. That's gone too far there. That's gone. And that's gone. All right. We've traded this trade before, WULF, but we missed this one. Look at that buy signal here. Buyers coming in on the weekly, but we missed it on the daily here. It's gone too far on the daily. Okay, buy signal here. Buy signal came in at 281, trading at 521. Can't chase it. That's gone. Okay, so that's it for stock boss. Let's run hit seeker for bullmaster, and we're almost done. All right. So 49 for Bull Master. Let's see. We've got some tech. Let's run through these quickly. All right, nothing here. That's gone. That's gone. Nothing here. Here. That's gone. Nothing here. Nothing here. That's gone. These are just tech. Nothing here. Nothing here. We're looking for new buy signals. That's gone. ANET, we're in that one. Oh, nothing here. All right, that's it. That's it for tech. Okay, Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. All right. Just a quick look, and I promise we'll be done. All right, so Bullmaster Pro, look at that, guys. Lit up today, right? All green, few red in here. All right, let's take a look at relative strength at new highs. Go through a few of these. ZETA, all we need is a buy signal there. GS, all we need is a buy signal. No, these stocks are strong, guys. So they're making new highs with relative strength. Form, we're in that one. All right, so nothing here today. All right, new highs. So just new highs. Let's go through these. IBKR, we just need a buy signal. Coke, we're in that one. Oh, Amazon, do we? Amazon. Yeah, we're in Amazon. Okay. Okay, sector leaders, let's go through these. I won't go through all of these, guys. Sector leaders, let's see here. CRWD, we're in that already. NVO, win NVO. Wing, win wing stop. Okay, hold on. IPO leaders, let's see if we can find a new IPO. IPO leaders here. Cover, in that one. IoT, we just need a buy signal. BRS, we're in that one. All right, so nothing new. Okay, nothing new. Top 50. These are top 50 guys, that top 50 stocks that the big institutions are holding. All right, that's the top 50 there. Let's go through these. All right, APO. All right, we're going to add APO. Okay. Make sure we're not in it here. APO. So APO in Bullmaster Pro. All right. If we take a look at, we know if it's in here, guys, it's got great fundamentals. Okay. All right. Great fundamentals. Look at the weekly. All right. See all that buying on the weekly there. And then let's take a look at the daily, our trading window there. All right, so buy signal here, and it's getting ready to break resistance. So we'll definitely add this one, and we've got resistance right here. Let's make it more clearer there. Right here, getting ready to break resistance, higher highs, higher lows rather. Okay, so APO looks good. So I'm glad we went through this. All right, let's see if we can find a few more. And we'll send these out to our Bullmaster Pro traders. Google is on here. No buys. Google, let's see here. Okay. All right. Big cap top 20. and then we'll be done. ANET, we're in that one. All right, guys. We're done. Quick look at our, what time is it? Hold on. We'll do US 30 tomorrow. Okay. Do you have any? Simon, yes. We did have a Discord, but no one showed up. All right. So we still have it. So if you guys want to show up on the Discord, we do have it. Simon, I'll send you over the Discord. But yeah, we have a Discord, but it's available. But most of our traders don't show up on the Discord. Okay, but all right. But if you guys want to set up, I know Tylac has a group. Tylac has a trading group that some of our traders use. Okay, but I can get you his information. Okay, Simon. Okay, buddy. All right, guys. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. The important thing to keep an eye on are these yen pairs. Okay, we could see those yen pairs close. All right, be aware of that. The dollar index, we are looking for that. Dollar index has a buy signal, so we're, hoping that the dollar index will break out. Okay, as far as equity traders, focus on large caps. Okay, large caps. All right, large caps, big caps, stocks, mega caps, whatever you want to call it. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, take care. Thanks for coming. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.